Welcome back to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram password without using your phone number. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your browser and then type in Instagram login. Select the first link by Instagram itself. Now, as you can see that we are trying to reset our password without the phone number. So in that case, simply go ahead and type in your username or email, but not your phone number. Just username or email will do. Select forgot password. Once it is so, it will lead you to a page like this. Again, here type in your email or username, select continue. And once you do that, it says the code has been sent to the email address that you have entered. Go ahead, paste the code here and select continue. And once you get the code, you will see a page where you can go ahead and change your password. Do that and your problem will be solved. If this tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Techmates. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your comments and question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.